So this is perfect. This much only gravy I want. I don't want so much gravy on my chicken. So now this is okay. So now we can put our cilantro or coriander on the top for garnishing. And now our chicken masala is ready. You can serve this with rice or any Indian bread. Guys, good morning and happy weekend to everyone. And today is Friday in Dubai. Time check is 11 o'clock in the morning. So now it's time to make a lunch. So I'll show you on how I'll make my chicken masala. So this is another Indian dish and it really goes along with chapati or any Indian bread, and also it goes well as well for the rice because it has a gravy on it. So first we have to marinate our chicken for at least 1 hour. So I'll show you on how I marinate my chicken. So let's get started. So I have in here a cut pieces of chicken with bones. This is around 800 grams. So in here we will put first a lemon. This is the squeezed lemon already. This is the fresh one. So I have here 1 squeeze of lemon. And I put salt, just half teaspoon of salt. And half teaspoon of turmeric. And red chili powder. Half teaspoon as well. And then we will be using a yogurt. This is a low-fat yogurt. I will be putting like 2 heap tablespoons of yogurt. That will be enough. And I'm using bhaji masala. This is about 1 teaspoon. This is okay. And now we have to mix this well. We have to mix properly this chicken. It should be coated all the masalas in the chicken. So now it is well coated. So now we have to set aside this for at least 1 hour. Now guys, while our chicken is sitting for marination, now we also need this following ingredients. We need 2 green chillies, we need 1 inch of ginger, 7 cloves of garlic, and 2 tomato. So we have to make a fine paste out of these ingredients. Okay, so aside from this, we will be needing onion. This is 2 large onions finely chopped, and cilantro or coriander for garnishing. And we will be also using all the Indian spices. So first we have to grind this one. So I have here the mixer. We just have to dump everything here inside and make the paste. So as you can see, it is grind into fine paste. And now let's start cooking our chicken. So I have here in the wok with the water, with oil. This is 3 tablespoons of oil. So now we have to dump our onion, finely chopped onion. And then we have to cook this until golden brown. And now our onion become brown. This is perfect now. We can dump our tomato paste. And then we will put a dash of salt, just a sprinkle of it, and then just cook the tomato. So in order for us to know if it's cooked, when the oil separate from the tomato and onion, so you can see the difference, if the oil will separate. So now let's just cook this for about 5 minutes. So as you can see, the oil is already separated from the tomato. So this is ready. So now we have to put our Indian spices. So you have to put a half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and half teaspoon of garmasala powder, and I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of bhaji again. So 1 teaspoon I'll put. That's enough. And then we have to cook this for around few seconds. Then we will sprinkle a little bit of water so our masala doesn't get burned. And then now we can put our chicken. So we put our marinated chicken in. And then mix well. So now let's just simmer this for 5 minutes. Leave it unopened. So there should be 5 minutes. The chicken looks like this. So now it's time to put our water. For the water, it's depend on you how much gravy you want. But for me, I'm putting about 1 cup of water. So this is enough for me. Because anyway, the water will reduce again once we have to simmer the chicken. So this is how it looks like. Now we have to cover this and simmer until the chicken becomes soft and cooked. And let's just check in between. And now let's check our chicken. See, as you can see, very nice color. So this is perfect. This much only gravy I want. I don't want so much gravy on my chicken. So now this is okay. can put our cilantro or coriander on the top for garnishing. And now our chicken masala is ready. You can serve this with rice or any Indian bread. So that's all for today, guys. So this is the recipe that I could able to share with you all. This is another Indian dish. This is very delicious. It is nice, easy to cook. And I hope you have learned something from me today. And I will see you in my next one. Bye! Happy weekend!
Please like and